Hello learners, how are you? I'm Teacher Esther from Greenview Schools, Kamulu. I'm going to take you through Science and Technology, Grade 6. Our strand for today will be reproductive system, and our substrand will be the female reproductive system. We have two major reproductive systems, which is the female reproductive system and the male reproductive system. For today, we are going to discuss the female reproductive system. And for just a definition, reproductive systems, these are the organs or the glands that are involved in producing offsprings. Another name of offspring is children. Now, we go back to our substrand, the female reproductive system. Now, the female reproductive system, these are the organs that are found in a female that are involved in producing offsprings. Now, I want to tackle the major part of the female reproductive system. Major parts of the female reproductive one, we have oviduct. 2, we have ovary. 3, we have vagina. 4, we have the uterus. Cervix. Now, these are the major parts of the female reproductive system. 1, oviduct, ovary, vagina, uterus, cervix. On the other side, I will take you through the picture how the female reproductive system looks like. And these are the different parts that we have outlined on the other side. This part from here up to here, we call it oviduct. This part here that looks like an egg, we call it ovary. Now, we have this part that is here. We call it uterus. We have this part here. We call it cervix. Then we have this other part that is lower here. We call it vagina. Now, this part up to here, we have said we call it oviduct, and we have another name that is called, we can call it fallopian tube. We have gone through the female reproductive system. We have outlined the major parts of the female reproductive system. We have discussed the female reproductive system, and the major parts of the female reproductive system are 1, oviduct or fallopian tube, 2, ovary, 3, vagina or birth canal, 4, uterus, 5, cervix. I have also taken you through the female reproductive system, how it looks like, and I have outlined different parts that are there that we have discussed. Now, for an exercise that you are supposed to cover to do revision, I have given you 3 questions. Number 1, name the 2 major reproductive systems. Number 2, write the major parts of a female reproductive system. Number 3, draw and label the female reproductive system. in our next lesson, we will be discussing the different functions of these major parts of the female reproductive system that we have discussed. Have a lovely time. Bye. I have been your teacher, Teacher Esther.